one of the things I hear in argument of it is, well, boundaries are so selfish. Well, why not? Why shouldn't it be selfish for you to go, no, I'm not going to be talked to like that?
Right, right,
You
right.
you deserve to be looking out for yourself in that instance, right? So,
Right. I mean, would you want to stand there and watch someone yell at someone else and not try to stop that or intervene or try to help them? So why is it okay for someone to do that to you?
oh yeah.
That's I used to jokingly say, not jokingly, I meant it at the time. I just realized I didn't understand the depth of it of being your own best friend. And
Mm.
I used to say, would you treat someone else like that? And so, I look at, I use that example a lot in my life, but I needed to go deeper. It's more than just that, it's just the everyday life. It's not just how other people treat me, but how am I treating myself?
Mm.
What am I doing to take care of myself? Because it does sound selfish. Oh, I got to take care of myself. But look, you and I are in the business of helping others. And we
Yeah.
have to take care of ourselves. And that's how it is. And we have to take care of ourselves in order to take care of others. And that's true for so many people in our position that, if we want to be able to be there for others, we've got to be there for ourselves first and have the energy ourselves. And that's where setting boundaries is really important. And at first, I could do that step, and then I would feel guilty.
Hmm.
Now I don't feel
Yeah.
guilty because I know how important it is.
Oh, it is 100% a struggle, especially as an entrepreneur when there's so many different things that you could be doing on your business and supporting other people. It's so easy to get up in the morning and get straight to work and then
Mhm.
work all day and then go to bed, right? And in some instances, yes, that's needed where you have to dedicate time to your growth right now so that you can enjoy life a little bit more later.
Mhm.
But you still need to protect your time and set those boundaries around your care because, yeah, otherwise you're going to go to bed and not have done anything for yourself that day,
Yeah.
that
Burnout.
week. Yeah. And it's a real thing.
Mhm.
So, like, that's one of the things that I have blocked on my calendar. I have an hour every morning dedicated, and it says self care, love yourself. It's a notification, comes up on my phone. It's just a nice reminder to be like, look, put time into yourself first.